And here we are with Marissa and Miranda doing the farthest shooting. Noodles.
Ready, set, go. Make it yours. Mine went hard.
Mine went over. Not. Let's go get Marissa. And here we go. Over.
Stop. Just recording me.
Are you on fire?
No. Oh my God, it's really good.
She hit the bomb.
She says she loves you long time. Come on now, man. It'll make her work.
Here we go. Blast off.
You suck.
Over. Do it.
Oh my God.
It's really right there. Marissa, it's still on the floor. You gotta put it on the roof.
I know, we're not trying to.
Try not to put the thing on the roof. It's very bad.
Oh my God.
It never was on the roof. She hard both that I was.
I
Go.
like no one.
And it goes over. Look, I can go like this. Woo! And it's over. And woo! It's over again. Now, when it goes over.
No.
And up in the air and falling down. And here we go. Plan B?
Oh my God.
Oh, snap
Oh my
on.
God, Miranda.
It went on the roof. It doesn't come. It's stuck at the.
Are these two dead to climb? Let me try. Let me test that.
Okie dokie.
Yeah.
Do you see it up there? No. We will take cut and zoom for the thing.